everyone, welcome to MNS Zone. So, are you ready for quiz? Today we are going to discuss another chapter of biology, that is cell cycle and cell division, which is very important for MNS 2022. So the first question is, the phase of cell cycle where cells remain metabolically active but usually do not proliferate is option A G0 phase, option B M phase, option C quiescent phase, and option D is both 1 and 3. So in G0 phase, cell remains metabolically active but do not divide. Majority of cells in our body is in this phase, that is G0 phase. G0 phase को quiescent phase भी कहते हैं. So the correct answer of this question is option D, both 1 and 3. Question number 2. Adult animal cell that does not divide is, the correct answer of this question is option D. Nerve cell is permanently in G0 phase, they do not divide. Question number 3. Choose the incorrect option with respect to mitosis. Option A. Daughter cells and parent cells are identical to each other. Option B. It is required during gametogenesis of haploid organisms. Option C. It was first observed by Strasburger in plant cells. Option D. It does not occur in gonad cells of animals. So this option is incorrect, as mitosis do occur in haploid gonad cells of animals. So the correct answer is option D. Question number 4. Continuous growth of plant throughout their life is due to A. Mitotic division in the apical meristem and lateral cambium. Option B. Mitotic division in primary permanent tissues. Option C. Production of seeds. Option D. Photosynthetically active cells only. So the correct option of this question is option A, because plant cell में एपिकल मेरिस्टम और लेटरल मेरिस्टम प्लांट की गर्थ और हाइट बढ़ाने में हेल्प करता है, जिसकी वजह से वो कंटिन्यूस ग्रोथ ऑफ प्लांट थ्रू आउट देयर लाइफ रहती है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस ऑफ फेज ऑफ द सेल साइकिल इज, सेल साइकिल में सबसे पहले G1 फेज आता है, उसके बाद सिंथेसिस फेज आता है, फिर G2 फेज आता है, फिर M फेज आता है. सो द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस इज G1 फेज, S फेज, G2 फेज, M फेज. सो ऑप्शन D इज करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Mitosis is equational division because number of chromosomes in the daughter cells are similar to parent cells. So option A is correct. Question number 7. The phase of mitosis in which chromosomes are thickest and shortest is option A metaphase, option B prophase, option C telophase, option D anaphase. So the correct answer of this question is option A metaphase. मेटाफेज में क्रोमोसोम मेटाफेसिक प्लेट पे अलाइन हो जाते हैं, इस वजह से वो वहाँ पर थिकेस्ट और शॉर्टेस्ट दिखते हैं, जिसकी वजह से उनकी मॉर्फोलॉजी स्टडी करने में आसानी होती है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Which of the following is not a significance of mitosis? Option A maintenance of cell size, option B repair of damaged body parts, option C replacement of skin cells, epidermal cells by the new cells, option D introduction of variation. So this option is correct, introduction of variation. Mitosis do not introduce variation, as there is no crossing over, so there is no exchange of genes. So the correct option is option D. Question number 9. If karyokinesis is not followed by dash, it will lead to formation of dash in coconut. So the correct option is option C, cytokinesis and liquid endosperm. If karyokinesis is not followed by cytokinesis, it will lead to formation of liquid endosperm in coconut. In some organisms, karyokinesis is not followed by cytokinesis. In these organisms, division of nucleus occurs but division of cytoplasm does not occur. As a result, large number of nuclei are present or embedded in the cytoplasm. This led to formation of syncytium. This syncytium is liquid endosperm in coconut. Okay. So question number 10 is, kinetochore of a chromosomes are a disc-shaped proteinaceous structure present at the centromere, present near secondary construction, distributed all over the length of chromosome, और beaded string like structure. So डायग्राम देख के हमको पता चल रहा है कि kinetochores ये रहे, ये दिखा रखे हैं, ये काइनेटिक कोर्स हैं, ये येलो कलर का स्ट्रक्चर. इट इज अ डिस्क शेप्ड स्ट्रक्चर, प्रोटीनेशियस स्ट्रक्चर प्रेजेंट एट द सेंट्रोमियर. सेंट्रोमियर के ऊपर एक डिस्क शेप्ड प्रोटीनेशियस स्ट्रक्चर है. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. न्यूक्लियर एनवेलप assembles around the chromosomes cluster at late anaphase, telophase, early prophase और late metaphase. So the correct answer is telophase. इसमें क्या होता है, जब माइटोसिस के एंड में क्लस्टर्स बन जाते हैं क्रोमोसोम के, तो उनके आसपास न्यूक्लियर एनवेलप बनना चालू होती है, उस फेज को बोलते हैं टीलोफेज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. How many tetrads are visible in human myocyte? As myocyte is diploid cell where chromosome present in homologous condition, that is paired condition. So the total number of tetrads are 23. That is option B is correct. Question number 13. Diakinesis is marked by option A formation of chiasmata, option B terminalization of chiasmata, option C crossing over, option D nuclear membrane persist. So the correct answer is option B terminalization of chiasmata. It involves breakage of chiasmata from the center so that they are only seen at the terminals. This is called terminalization. Question number 14. Zygote is characterized by 1. Pairing of homologous chromosomes, 2. Appearance of synaptonormal complex, 3. Formation of bivalents, 4. Formation of chiasmata. So the correct answer is D, option D, all except 4. Pairing of homologous chromosome is known as synapsis. chiasmata डिप्लोटीन में बनता है, डिप्लोटीन स्टेज में क्या फॉर्मेशन ऑफ chiasmata होता है. सो इस ऑप्शन 4 को छोड़कर जाइगोटीन के बाकी तीनों कैरेक्टर हैं. सो ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. Splitting of centromere of each chromosome which was holding sister chromatids together occurs at. So the correct answer is anaphase 2. Anaphase 2 में जो दोनों sister chromatids को hold कर रखा होता है वो अपार्ट जाने लगते हैं. Centromere divides, chromatid move to the opposite pole of the cells. Okay. Question number 16. In oocytes of some vertebrates, diplotin lasts for months or years. It is called as leptotin stage, dictyotin stage, zygotine stage or pachytene stage. So the correct answer is option B, dictyotin stage. Question number 17. Recombination nodule is seen in the stage. Question number 17. Recombination nodule is seen in stage pachytene. During pachytene, crossing over occurs between the non-sister chromatids of the homologous chromosome. So recombination nodule forms and it is seen in pachytene. So option B is correct. Question number 18. Interkinases differ from interphase in the absence of option A DNA replication, option B histone protein synthesis, option C centriole duplication, option D both 1 and 2. So the correct answer is both 1 and 2. Interphase, it is a biosynthetically active phase, also known as preparatory phase, because all material required for division synthesized in this stage. While interkinases, it is an intrameiotic interphase, meiotic. Here only RNA synthesis, protein synthesis and centriole duplication will occur. So the correct answer is option D. Question number 19. Calculate the total number of meiotic divisions required to produce 56 pollen grains. So the correct answer is option 14 because एक meiotic division से 4 pollen grain बन रहे थे, तो 56 के लिए 14 meiotic division चाहिए. Question number 20. Chiasmata or X-shaped structure become visible during diplotin stage, zygotin stage, pachytene stage और leptotin stage. अभी पहले आगे मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चंस में पढ़ाया था, डिप्लोटीन स्टेज में chiasmata बनते हैं. सो ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. अ बाइवेलेंट ऑफ प्रोफेज 1 रिप्रेजेंट्स. बाइवेलेंट का डायग्राम बनाकर देखते हैं. ओके पे बाइवेलेंट है, इसको टेट्राड भी बोलते हैं। सो यहाँ पे मैंने दिखाने की कोशिश की है कि इस क्रोमोसोम्स का, इस ये रेड वाले क्रोमोसोम का कुछ पार्ट, थोड़ा सा पार्ट वो ग्रीन वाले क्रोमोसोम के साथ इंटरचेंज हो गया है। देखो यहाँ पर ये आपस में इंटरचेंज हो गए हैं, यहाँ पे बाइवेलेंट फॉर्मेशन हुआ है। सो इट इज नोन एज, दिस स्ट्रक्चर इज नोन एज बाइवेलेंट और टेट्राड। इट हैज 2 सेंट्रोमियर विद 4 क्रोमैटिड। सो ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट। ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट। Question number 22. A short-lived phase between meiosis 1 and meiosis 2 is called option B. Option B is correct. Interkinesis is a phase between meiotic 1 and meiosis 2. Question number 23. Which of the following is not a significance of meiosis? Option A. Formation of gametes. Option B. Increasing genetic variability. Option C. Reduction of chromosome number to half. Option D. Replaces old dead and worn out cells. So the correct answer is option D, replaces old dead and worn out cell. It is not a function or significance of meiosis. Question number 24. 2 daughter cells formed after mitosis are option B, identical to each other, क्योंकि इसमें कोई variations नहीं होते हैं। माइटोसिस में कोई भी variations नहीं होते हैं क्योंकि क्रॉसिंग ओवर्स नहीं होते हैं, तो जीन एक्सचेंज नहीं होते हैं। Question number 25. Which type of cell division is called somatic cell division? So the correct answer is option D, mitosis. Mitosis को somatic cell division भी कहते हैं। Question number 26. Initiation of condensation of chromatin material occurs in prophase, anaphase, telophase, metaphase. So the correct answer is option A, prophase. 27. Mitotic spindle initiates during, so the correct option is option C, prophase. Mitotic spindle prophase में initiate होते हैं। Question number 28. Nucleolus and nuclear membrane disappears during, option D is correct. prophase में nuclear membrane और nucleolus disappear हो जाते हैं। Question number 29. Chromosomes align at the equator during, so the correct option is option C, metaphase. Metaphase में मेटाफेजिक प्लेट पर आके क्रोमोसोम अलाइन कर जाते हैं। Question number 30. The morphology of chromosome is studied during, आगे भी बताया था क्वेश्चन में, मॉर्फोलॉजी मेटाफेज में पढ़ी जाती है क्योंकि उस टाइम पर क्रोमोसोम थिकेस्ट एंड शॉर्टेस्ट होते हैं। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए। Question number 31. In packetine, each tetrad contains, अभी आगे समझाया था बाइवेलेंट बनाकर, each tetrad contains 4 chromatids. So option C is correct. Question number 32. Crossing over occurs during, so the correct answer is packetine. Option D. पैकेटीन में क्रॉसिंग ओवर होता है 2 सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड और 2 नॉन सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड पे, 2 सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड और 2 नॉन सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 33. The homologous chromosomes move towards the opposite poles during, so the correct answer is option A, anaphase 1. Okay. Question number 34. Dash marks the site where crossing over had occurred. So the correct answer is option C, chiasmata, जहाँ पर जीन्स एक्सचेंज किए गए थे। Question number 35. Terminalization of chiasmata occurs during, so the correct answer is answer A, option A, prophase 1. So that's all from this chapter. I hope आपको सारे क्वेश्चन समझ में आए हो और क्वेश्चंस का लेवल अच्छा लगा हो। Okay, thank you, MLS aspirants.